What's going on, everybody? This is AAA from Long Island, New York, but today I'm in Miami, Florida at my cousin's shop, also known as AAA of Miami. He has used cars, rebuilt title, clean title. So what he does is he buys them hit and then he fixes them. He gets some rebuilt titles and sells them. So you have an eBay account, you can see him on eBay, and he has plenty of cars, different kind of cars. You can see it over here. It has from Volkswagen TSI to Mercedes. Let me see what series this is. As you can see, these are all either clean title or Chevy Trax CLA 250. You have the Infinity trucks. You have Tesla. He has plenty of Teslas. He has Cadillacs, Chevy, Equinox, Buick, all kind of cars. So if you're interested, and he has a whole bunch on the other side. He has total of 150 in the inventory, so you can see it. If you're interested, I'll put the eBay account on the descriptions. You can follow it there. You can ask him questions and also follow his Instagram page. Right over here he has the Cadillac XT5. This one looks like XT5. You have Mazda. You can go to my Instagram too. You can ask me questions. I could connect you through it. Like this one. This one probably salvage. He's gonna fix this and sell it. Half the price of what you're getting outside on the regular dealers. But he has a used car dealership. So whatever you're paying outside, you're gonna pay half the price here. But if you tell him I can't send you, it will give you a discount. Catchy catch. That's how you get your discount. As you can see, he has plenty of cars on this side too. Mustangs. What's this? Volkswagen, no, Audi A3. Volkswagen. Mustang, convertible. Buick, convertible. BMW. He has all kind of cars. You have the Mercedes right over here. You have BMW. I don't know if this is X3 or X1, but it looks like X1. I was right. This one is GLS 450. You have the Dodge Caravan right over here. You have the HRV, Honda HRV. This one looks like the new body HRV. You have the Chevy Equinox. You have Buick convertible. You have the GMC Yukon. You have Honda Civic, Buick, all kind of cars. You ask, he got them for you. Whole bunch. This is just one of his yards, and we're gonna go into the shop in a minute. As you can see, he got the Teslas. He has plenty of Teslas. This one is I don't know the submodel on this one, but this one is also a Tesla. It looks brand new. It has the Kia Sportage all body, because mine is 23. This one is I believe this one is 21 or 22. Kia Sportage. This is XT60. Yes, Cadillac XT60 right over here. And another Mercedes. It has the Ford Edge, the all body. Another Cadillac. And this one is a CLA 250. Mercedes CLA 250. He has another Equinox over there, and he has the, I believe this is Honda Frontier, yeah. And this one is the Ridgeline, I'm sorry. And you have the Audi A4, XT5, another XT6 over there, Ford Edge. There's a whole bunch. Uh, as you can see, this is the shop, where the shop is. Right over here. He has all kind of cars over here too. So it's a lot of them. You have the Expedition right there, limited edition. I don't know what year that is, but that looks most recent, either 21 or 22. And you have the convertible Camaro right here, nice Camaro. Let's see what model this is. I'm sure it's a lower model. I'll be mistaken. Let me see what this Expedition is. This Expedition is where's the year? Oh man, 17. This is 2017. I guess they finished this already. They gotta clean it up, wash the inside out, and it's ready to go. You got the Range Rover Sport right here. They need to fix. You have another Kia over there. You have a Cadillac, BMW, Mini Coupe, Clubman. He has plenty of Odysseys. Yeah, Cadillac Escalade over there. He has an XT4. That's one of my favorites. XT4, small SUV, but it's pretty good. Inside is nice. XT4, the Cadillac. You have X3 BMW. Right here needs to be get done. Tesla, Chevy Impala, right over here. There's one X4 right here, XT4 Cadillac in the shop. This one is already completed. They're just doing the knickknacks inside. As you can see, my cousin is working, doing all the. I mean, it's dirty. It was sitting in the auction for a long time, so they gotta clean it. This is finished. All they gotta do is fix the knickknacks, make sure the battery is good to go, engine is good. As you can see, it's charging. Turbo XT4 is pretty nice, nice purple color. We have another XT4 right here, white one. XT4s are pretty nice. I mean, that's my favorite car. We have a Dodge Durango over here, nice Dodge Durango. We have another Camaro convertible, nice one over there. Odyssey, and he has plenty of Teslas. I don't know how true this is. This is one of the fastest Teslas out there. This one. But I don't know what the model is in this one. So this is pretty sick. It has that airplane wheel. Tesla 2021. I don't know, the way the guy was telling me was 1,000 horsepower, so plate, I guess that's what it is. Plate, Tesla plate, but it looks sick though. It looks pretty sick. So I want to see it when it's done. There's a BMW right here. Another Tesla over here. There's plenty of Teslas. And this is Mr. Shakir.
Hello guys.
He's one of his body guys.
Tesla expert.
Tesla expert right here. Guys, he even has mopeds if you're interested. He has mopeds here for sale. Let him know. As you can see, he's been doing this business for a long time in Miami. He's been doing this since 2017. No, 16, I'm sorry. Since 2016, he's been doing this in Miami. But before that, he was doing this in Long Island, New York, and then he moved out here. So he's been doing this business for a long time. If you guys interested, if you guys like it, you can follow me on Instagram, and you can follow him on Instagram. It's called Li Auto 19. That's his Instagram, and my Instagram is iCatch.19. iCatch.19, and my YouTube channel also. And I'm gonna put his eBay channel right here. You can bid or you can purchase the vehicles that you like. He has plenty of vehicles on eBay. You can, if you're interested, you can ask him questions through there also. Like this LaCrosse right here. Let me see what year is this LaCrosse. It's not all the way down, but it's done. It's 2016 LaCrosse. Buick LaCrosse. It's pretty clean. Everything is done. It's ready to go, but you got, you got to do the touch-ups. You got to clean inside. As you can see, it's pretty good. It's not bad. See, this is rebuilt title right here. And then we got the Chrysler. I forgot what it was. This is, I guess, customers already. We got this one right here, Cadillac Escalade. I think this is 2019. It's pretty clean. It's already a customer bought it from here. Same thing with this BMW right here. It was bought from here. This X1 is pretty, X3 is pretty clean too, as you can see. I mean, it just needs to do some touch-ups and then it's ready to go. It's gonna be half the price of what you're getting. So everything needs to be tuned up, cleaned up, fix the door. But other than that, it doesn't have that much of a damage. This is XT5. Beautiful car. Bye. This is XT4. I told you this is my favorite, but this is beautiful. I can't wait to see this car get done right here. I wanna know who's gonna guess this car. I can't wait for this car to get done. See this right here? Look at it. Look at it now. You're gonna see it when it gets done. This car right here. Take a good look at it and let me know what it is, and then I'm gonna show it to you when it gets done. Obviously you guys gotta know from this side, but like you can see, as you can see, they fixing this the little knickknacks on this truck, whatever's left over. Ford Expedition, I think I said 2017, that's what it was. Let me see if it works. Yeah, the battery's dead. But 2018 Ford Expedition. Let me see what top model is it. Limited. It's pretty good. Inside is pretty good. Argentino is fixing it. They do tires here. They do auto body, the paint. As you can see, it's fully loaded. Ford Expedition. And my friend Argentino over here.
Hello, my friend.
He's fixing the cars.
Yeah, all the time.
And they fixing the XT5, the Cadillac XT5. You know, they redo everything. If any problem before it goes to inspection, they do everything on these cars. Let me see how many miles on this car. This car has I can't really tell. $75,000 miles. What year is this car? 2016 XT5, 75,000 miles, but pretty good interior. I like the color. And a lot of these cars has low mileages, so you guys can, like I said, I will put the eBay site on this. I will put the Instagram site on this. You can follow, and you can go from there. They have all kind of cars: Teslas, Impalas, Fusions, Pilots, Odysseys. This is another Fusion right here. It's a nice, pretty car, and you guys can get it from there. It's called AAA of Miami.
Accidente en el Palmetto.
Presidente?
Sí, accidente por ahí.
Oh, sí.
Palmetto, Peeway.
Okay.
Sí.
I think President Trump is here. Be close to his establishment. So there's two helicopters on. They were on top of the Trump Tower over there. Trump Tower is right over there. So it's not bad. He's feeding the kitties. He's giving the kitties kitty food. Man, these cats are eating good. See, the big one gets the better food. Look at that. Those little kitties eating a little bite. The other one is like chucking everything. There's two kitties right here and then two big ones. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Like I said, this is AAA of Miami, the used car dealership. He does rebuilt cars, clear title, rebuilt title, Florida. If you guys are interested, you can just go to that site on eBay, and you can either bid or buy out, or any questions you can reach from eBay side. I will put it on the descriptions. And then my Instagram is eyecatch.19, EYECATCH.19. You can ask any questions. Tell them iCatch sends you. You get a discount from AAA of Miami. Until next time, have a good day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comments are welcome.